So today I'm going to show you how to create Start Here information in Google Classroom for students when they first start the class, the first step or the first place where they can go. So the first thing that I want to do is go over to Classwork and click this blue Create button. And I want to create a topic first that will contain the Start Here information. So I'll click Topic. I want this to be Start Here is my name, and then I'll just click Add Topic. Now that I've got this topic, what I will do is hit the Create button again, and I want to create material just so students can see the Start Here information. So material, I'll call this Start Here, and then I can type a little description here, and then I have some features too. I could even bold this or italicize this if I wanted to. I could add a document if I really want to down here by clicking the upload button, but I just kind of want to keep it basic for now. And then the last two steps are to go here to topic and select that one I just created, which is Start Here, and post. Now I'll see that Start Here material is under the Start Here folder. If I go to the classroom homepage and stream, I will be able to see that right here at the top of my classroom stream.